Some of the swags are out of stock in the Novice and Trooper tire. Legend and Ranger tire are enjoying their rewards, but in the meantime, the basic, the Novice and Trooper tire are struggling and getting panicked. So in this video, I'll talk about some important tips and tricks and latest update from the arcade team. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel. Some important thing is that if you are from Ranger to Legend tire, I have shared a detailed guide how to place your order. You can check the videos; they are listed over here. Now coming to the Novice and Trooper tire, that also video will be live very soon. And one more important thing which I wanted to share regarding the out of stock scenario. So most of you guys are saying that the swags have been out of stock. Okay, swags out of stock. Now the reason is simple. Here, many people are saying that you said that everyone will be getting the swag, and we are saying t-shirt is out of stock, bottle is out of stock. Now the reason is what? Why is it happening? Actually, you know that arcade participants are global participants, and more than 1 lakh people are just hitting that website again and again, and the site is failing. That's why they made the swags out of stock. As of now, what I am suggesting, do not place order if you are from novice to trooper tire or ranger to champion and legend tire. All things are working and video is already live for these two tire, novice and trooper tire. Wait for it. We talked to the internal Google team and they are aware, they are fixing, and they'll be restocking all the swags. So as of now, just avoid ordering novice and trooper tire swags. Rest, legend, and ranger and champion tire swags can be ordered as soon as possible so that they are not out of stock. Okay, so this happened with Printos. There are two provider company. This time they did not use the Google form in the facilitator program. They used the Google form and it was 99% sure that they'll be using, but at last moment they changed everything. As you see, the price counter date was also extended. So this was a quick update. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a great day ahead. If you still have any issue, do not worry. I'll be going live for addressing all your queries.